guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make some baked cards, some delicious baked card, and how easy it is to get it done. It's so quick, so simple, and so easy. I won't bore you with the details. Let's just get into the ingredients. So, of course, you're gonna need some cod fish. These was frozen. That my supermarket didn't have any fresh. I have some minced garlic. Has some Shelly's house seasoning, a stick of butter, some lemon for garnish, and for to squeeze onto there. I have some parsley flakes for garnish also, and I have some infused olive oil. Now you can use whatever kind of olive oil you have. Just regular olive oil would be fine here, and it's so simple. Shelly's house seasoning is salt, pepper, seasoning, garlic, onion powder, guys. That's it. Alright. So, first thing first, let's prepare our pan to receive our fish. Okay, so, first thing we're going to do, we're going to drizzle some olive oil onto our pan. Alright. We're going to add some of this minced garlic, just like so, onto our pan. Just like this. Get it down and try to smooth it out. Like so. Now, we're only going to put this on the bottom. So, pretty much we're done with this. So, we want to have the bottom seasoned as well. Now, we're going to add some Shelly's house seasoning. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some Obey to this. But this is just how I like to have my baked fish. Alright? Boom. The bottom is done. Now, we can just place our card onto our cookie sheet, just like so. Already seasoned. Oil. It's gonna be amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. Alright. So that is done. Now let's move this out of our way. Let's start with slicing up some lemon. So I already rinsed my lemon, but let's remove these tabs that come on the lemon. See these little tabs right here? Let's get them gone. Alright, so we're going to slice, and I'm just working with a small paring knife up into it, and just get you some slices. It's like this. Just want slices. So we have 7 pieces of fish. So we want 7 lemon slices. So that's 4. That's 5. 6. 7. That's good. Let's do 8 just in case. Alright, just like that. And we'll just pile all our lemons here. And we want 7 slices of butter. I'm going to unroll this just like this. Nothing heavy about this dish. Nothing heavy about nothing that I do up in this kitchen, baby. It's easy. If I can do it, you can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to get them all the same size. 5, 6, 7. That's a little over half a stick of butter. Alright. Let's bring our fish back. Now, first thing we're going to do, we're going to juice it with some lemon juice. And don't worry about the seeds, it'll be fine. The seeds are not going to go into the fish. You want to get this on first. You want to get your lemon juice on first. Okay? And all of this stuff is going to make a sauce in the bottom of the pan. So this is only going to cook for 20 minutes in the oven. So I got my oven on 365 degrees. That. Alright, I'd like to take this time out right now, guys, and say thank you for watching this video. My new subscribers, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for subscribing and welcome. And my lovely regular subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Alright, let's get our butter onto each slice, just like so. Just like that. Boom. Alright, all you need to do now, we're going to sprinkle it with some Shelly's house seasoning right on the top. And when the butter melts and you got the seasoning on top, all the seasoning is just going to go right down into that. It's not going to melt away with the butter. Alright? Because you put the butter down first. Remember to do that, because if not, then if you put the butter on top of the seasoning, it's going to melt away the seasoning and it's not going to penetrate your fish the way you would like. And that's why we put the lemon juice on first. Just like that. Alright? Get some parsley on here. Just for color. Like that. Now, get some lemon right on there. Just get it right on there. Right on there. Right on. Right on. Isn't that beautiful? Just before I even put it in the oven. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to get this into our oven. Let this cook for 20 minutes. And I'll be back to show you the final results of this beautiful fish, guys. So here we are with our beautiful cod. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I'm just going to get a taste of this beautiful cod. You got wonderful, how wonderful this cod is. And it's a really flaky, white, beautiful fish. It's good for frying. It's good for baking. It's just good. Period. Seasoned properly seasoned. Yeah. It's the type. I love this fish. It's one of my favorites. Black bass and rock are my two favorite top. But cod runs a solid third with me. Oh, this is really good. You get that butter flavor. You get that garlic, that lemon. Healthy dish. Delicious dish. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.